Welcome, AI enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we have a truly exciting mission for you, creating your own AI replica, just like Astro Wani's Joon and Monica. Intrigued? Let's dive into this creative adventure together.
Astro Wani has made headlines by introducing Joon and Monica, Malaysia's first AI news anchors. But the big question is, how did they do it? And more importantly, how can you do it too? First, let's gather the necessary ingredients: text, images, and audio of yourself. These will be the building blocks for your AI replica, so make sure they represent you well. Now, for the secret trick. In next episode, we will introduce you to an incredible AI tool that uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze your data and generate a unique AI version of you, just like Joon and Monica. Once your AI replica is up and running, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to automate tasks, interact with audiences, or even join Joon and Monica as the next AI sensation. And that's it, folks. Next episode, you will learn how to have the power to create your own AI replica, just like Astro Wani's Joon and Monica. But this is only the beginning of your AI journey. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore more amazing AI tools and tricks. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Together, we will unlock the secrets of AI and transform the way you interact with the digital world. See you in the next episode, where we will introduce awesome tool to supercharge your AI creation skills.